All the children were sitting at Gattu Chinke's house.
Friends, today is such a boring day. I can't even figure out what we should play. At home, I was getting so bored that I finished all my homework in a one go. That's amazing, Hari. You finished your homework before all of us could do it. Yes, if that's the case, then you should get bored every day, Hari.
But then Bunty says,
Friends, seriously, tell me what should we play? We have been sitting like this for past half an hour. Yes, Bunty, you're right. Come on, let's go to the park and play hide and seek. No, let's play tag. Hey friends, forget all these old games. Today let's play truth and dare. What? Truth and dare? Gattu, this sounds really interesting. Come on, let's play that. But we'll be needing a bottle, right, to spin? Then whoever the bottle's head points to will ask them a truth or a dare question. Wait. I'll go and get an empty water bottle from the kitchen.
Chinky goes to the kitchen and brings a bottle.
Okay then, let's start the game. Let's go.
All the children sit down in a circle. And Gattu is about to spin the bottle when suddenly
Oh, who's here now?
Gattu sees that Monty is standing at the door.
You, here?
Just then Mummy comes out of the kitchen.
Oh, come in, Monty dear. Hello, Auntie. Actually, my mother sent this magazine for you. You wanted it, right? Yes, thank you. You also sit with other kids? I'll bring some juice and snacks. Thank you, Auntie.
Mummy goes into the kitchen and Monty comes and sits with Gattu.
Is this Monty going to play with us too? No, we won't let him play truth and dare, friends. Huh. If you guys don't let me play, then I am going to complain to Auntie. Hey, Gattu. Let him play. Then we'll give him some funny dare. It'll be a lot of fun. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, Monty, you can play.
Finally, the game starts and Gattu spins the bottle. The bottle spins rapidly and then it stops pointing towards Goody.
Although I'm not afraid of dares, Gattu, but right now I feel like choosing truth. Oh, truth! So what should we ask Goody, Gattu?
Everyone starts thinking.
Favorite movie? No, Gattu. Okay, fine. Goody, tell me. If you had to eat food of only one color for the rest of your life, what color would it be and why? If that happens, then I'll choose the brown color. Huh? But why is that, Goody? You see, Chinky, so many tasty food items are in brown color, like pizza, burger, chocolate milkshake, and so Cold many coffee, other chocolatey chocolate things. cakes. And so many other chocolatey things, Chinky. Goody, you are really smart. You chose the best color. Thank you. Come on, let's spin the bottle again.
And the bottle spins for some time and stops at Hari.
Oh wow, I'll take the dare. Because I'm not afraid of anyone. Okay, Hari. Now you'll definitely start feeling scared. But why, Gattu? What dare are you going to give me, Gattu? Bunty will tell you that, Hari. Hari, a dare, Hari. Come on, hurry up.
Hari quickly comes to the center of the circle and starts making funny faces and acting like a monkey. All the children start laughing.
That's enough, Hari. Stop it now. Stop it.
Everyone laughs at Hari's joke. And now it's Gattu's turn.
Yes, it's my turn now. I'll choose truth. Oh, okay, Gattu. Then tell me, is there anything, any truth that you've hid from me? What? Yes. Come on, tell me quickly. It seems I've gotten myself into trouble with this truth or dare game. Well, actually, Chinky, Do you remember 3 days ago someone dropped mom's makeup box and mom scolded you for it? Yes, I remember. Even though I did not do anything. So did you? Yes, Chinky. I am the one who dropped the box. Sorry. What? I won't let you off the hook, Gattu. I got scolded so much because of you. Chinky, we'll fight later, okay? I am going to deal with you later, Gattu.
Chinky calms down for now. And then Gattu spins the bottle.
Now tell Bunty, what will you choose?
I am not afraid of anything, understood?
I'll choose dare.
Hari quickly says after thinking for a moment.
Yes, Monty, why don't you act like a donkey? What?
A donkey?
Yes, this is perfect. Come on, Monty, show us. You choose dare, you have to do it. Okay.
Monty stands on all his 4 legs like a donkey and starts acting like one. Seeing this, all the children burst into mad laughter.
Monty, you are doing this so well. Very good. Huh? Okay, enough.
It's done.
Let's spin the bottle again.
Monty spins the bottle. And then it's Bunty's turn.
I'll choose truth. Bunty, tell us about your most embarrassing incident that happened in public. Something that nobody knows about.
Bunty thinks for a moment and then answers.
Yes. Once I went to a departmental store with my mom. There was a big candy tower and I accidentally pulled out a candy from the bottom and all the candies fell. Everyone started staring at me and then we got scolded by the store owner. But after I said sorry, he forgave me and even gave me a candy. Wow, so you actually benefited from it. And you got a candy too. Let's spin the bottle again.
Bunty spins the bottle. And it's Chinky's turn.
I'll choose dare only. Wow, so Chinky, I'll give you a dare to act like Mummy when she gets really angry. What? Mummy when she's angry? That's very easy. I'll show you right now. Gattu, you have scattered all your toys again and you haven't done your homework either. Sorry, Mummy. It won't happen again. You say that every time. This time I'm not going to spare you.
All the children were laughing heartily watching Chinky's acting. But Chinky and Gattu didn't know that their mother was watching them from behind.
What's all this going on? Whose acting are you doing, Chinky? Me? I was just... You were acting like me, aren't you? And all of you were laughing watching her.
You are right, auntie, but I didn't laugh at all. In fact, I was about to come and tell you.
Now everyone will get a punishment.
Hearing this, all the children become completely silent and scared. Suddenly, seeing everyone so frightened,
Why were you all so scared? Now tell me, who did the best acting?
Oh, Mummy. So you were just joking. We were really scared.
everyone laughs together.
Come on. Stop this game for now and everyone eat snacks I am bringing. I have made cheese